Pero Ram, have you observed children? Kasi lagi ko nakikita, sometimes it's hard for them to eat because they're not hungry. Kasi tayo kasi as adults, we have time to eat. But when we ask our children to eat, they don't want to eat. And sobrang bagal nila kumain. I
Mm,
observed that with, sa mga pamangkin, na
mm.
parang ang tagal nila kumain, like 2 hours. I was thinking, is it because their body says they're not hungry? And when they are hungry, dun pa lang sila kakain, despite the time.
Yeah. I think their biological clock. Yes. I think that their biological clock is intact, and yun ang sinusunod nila, no? The other thing is they are distracted by technology, phone,
Mm.
iPad, playing. So so the playing takes priority before eating. So I think marami ring factors, pero as kids tingin ko as long as they are not
But they
overweight,
don't feel hungry.
uh, as long as they are not overweight or obese, they should eat kasi they
Mm.
they, they need
Growing.
all the nutrients and vitamins and minerals for them to develop as well.
The thing that I observe with kids is correct. They follow their biological clock, which means it doesn't mean it's 12 o'clock. That's it. They need to eat.
Mm.
No, they always dun mo makikita na parang that is how we are composed as humans. Those are genes eh. If you're hungry, there's this hormone called ghrelin will tell you to eat. Pero if you will observe nga, the children, they don't follow the modern world, modern time of eating, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner.